We absolutely have the smarts in Australia, but what we lack is the dollars to be able to put into research and development and into investment. And this is a constant challenge for the sector. There's a lot of money spent in doing business with the supermarket retailers. We're also lacking in global competitiveness from a cost of manufacturing perspective. And that means that there's less profit pool available to invest into research and development and into new technologies. So we need to work with governments on policies that are going to really drive this uptake of investment in new capital equipment and new research here in Australia. We've already seen over time a move of high value-added food going offshore. And we don't want to see that happen with more products. It's also happened more in some of the grocery items as well. And so to retain that strong footprint of 275,000 jobs and $140 billion worth of manufacturing in Australia, we need to stimulate investment. And primarily for us, that looks like incentives, so tax incentives, accelerated depreciation or investment allowances that really drive that uptake of new capital equipment in Australia by all businesses. A lot of government policies will focus around small businesses, which is really important, but we need to make sure that these measures are applicable to multinational businesses, to large businesses that employ and drive huge volumes of output in Australia. The industry is really rapidly making shifts around innovation, reformulation, creating healthier choices. And this is driven by a number of factors. One is we take our responsibility around public health seriously, and that we know that obesity is growing as a problem and that we need to play our part in providing a range of choices to consumers that include lower sugar, lower salt and lower fat options. But also the consumer is leading that change. And more than ever before, we're seeing this rapid move in consumer towards those sorts of healthier products. So as an industry, we need to innovate, we need to research, and we need to make sure that we are using different technologies that can help to keep up and to lead that sort of change.